Looking for the best VR headsets to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Meta Quest 3. Storage capacity, 128 GB, battery life, 2.2 hours, field of view, 110 degrees, horizontal, 96 degrees, vertical, max refresh rate, 120 Hz. The long-awaited follow-up to the Quest 2 is an upgrade in every respect. It's more comfortable to wear, it has higher quality screens, and it has full-color mixed reality cameras, allowing you to see the real world alongside virtual elements. While it's more expensive at $500, it's also a far more capable headset than the Quest 2 and the new Quest 3S, with hardware and optics that will keep you happily immersed in VR for years. The Quest 3 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip, which Meta says has double the graphics power of the Quest 2. That additional power is noticeable in games like Red Matter 2, which feature updated textures that deliver an experience closer to PC VR. The Quest 3's new displays run at 2064 by 2208 pixels per eye, offering an even better experience than the PlayStation VR 2. Its mixed reality cameras also let you easily see the real world, in case you need to quickly answer a text or Slack message. And they enable games that can be built around your room. What makes the Quest 3 interesting is that it offers more than just solid VR, it also gives you a glimpse at what a mixed reality future could be, blurring the line between the real world and a virtual world. While it's not as sharp or capable as Apple's Vision Pro, that's understandable. And just like previous Quest headsets, you can also plug it into a gaming PC for higher quality VR experiences, expanding its compatibility beyond standalone use. Number 2. Meta Quest 3S. The Quest 3S is Meta's latest entry-level VR headset, but don't let its reasonable $300 price fool you. It's also a remarkable achievement for the company. It sports the same Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip as the Quest 3, as well as a healthy 8 GB of RAM, allowing it to power the same experiences as its pricier sibling. It also features Meta's excellent Touch Plus controllers, which deliver solid motion controls, as well as responsive joysticks and buttons. The only major downside is that the Quest 3S isn't nearly as sharp as the Quest 3. It features the same 1830 by 1920 pixel per eye screen from the Quest 2, while the Quest 3's screen offers 30% more pixels, 2264 by 2208 pixels per eye, to deliver a sharper and more realistic image. VR newbies probably won't notice the difference much though, and that's what really matters. The Quest 3S is just as comfortable as the Quest 3 to wear, and it can easily access the same apps and games on the Meta Quest store. There's no headphone jack either, but its built-in speakers deliver solid enveloping audio for games like Maestro, and you could also plug in a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, or just pair wireless headphones. The Quest 3S can connect to gaming PCs over USB-C or wirelessly to play more intense VR experiences, giving it strong compatibility with both standalone and PC-based setups. It can also wirelessly stream your gameplay to Chromecast devices, or to AirPlay devices by mirroring the Quest app from an iPhone. If you're still holding onto the Quest 2, or an original Quest, the Quest 3S is precisely the inexpensive upgrade you've been waiting for. Number 3. Valve Index VR Kit. I don't know if anything has ever wowed me right out of the box like the Valve Index. This is a big, expensive set of powerful VR gear, but it's also beautiful to look at. The packaging, the design of the headset, and all the smaller functional touches establish this as the frontrunner among high-end tethered headsets on our list. It's an investment, but for this kind of low-nausea, high-performance experience, you're getting what you pay for. You can expect frames rates of 90 frames per second or higher, immersive audio, and at least 4 different main points of comfort adjustment. It comes with wall-mountable base stations, for room-scale tracking, user-friendly documentation, and has the best VR controllers I've tried to date. Each Index controller boasts 87 sensors for precision gesture-based input, along with comfy fabric straps that hold them in place, especially convenient when you have a large head-mounted display blocking your vision. Speaking of which, this didn't feel as heavy and unwieldy as any of the other tethered headsets I've tested, which is a big win for long-term comfort. If you intend to spend hours in VR playing performance-intensive games and don't need a standalone headset, You'll be quite pleased with the Valve Index and its massive software catalog, including Valve's Half-Life, Alex. Just make sure your PC has enough power to support it.